watching Millionaire Kids channel. So today I'm going to show you a easy peasy, yummy and delicious recipe called garlic bread. This is the kids' favorite recipe. So let's get started. To make the garlic bread we need some butter, mozzarella cheese, some grated garlic, chili flakes, some bread slice and some oreganos. That's it, let's start cooking. First, take the butter and put the grated garlic. Along with that, we can add some chili flakes. If you don't like spicy, skip the chili flakes. I love spicy, that's why I'm putting some chili flakes. Now add some oreganos too. Make sure your butter is at room temperature so that it will give you a creamy texture. Mix everything together. If your butter is unsalted, add some salt too. Now the garlic butter mixture is ready. Now take a bread slice and spread the butter mixture evenly. Spread it all over the bread, all the nooks and corners of the bread. One slice is ready, let's move to the another slice. Here also spread it even. This is one of my favorite recipes. Whoever likes garlic bread, comment below. And once you're done, this is the time to put the mozzarella cheese. I want to be more cheesy peasy. More, even more cheese. See, I had loaded the bread slice with lots of mozzarella cheese. Now close the cheese with another slice of bread. Now put the butter applied slice on the heated pan. Make sure your flame is at very low. Spread the butter mixture on the top side of the bread too. Spread it evenly like this. Now close the bread slice with the lid and let's cook it for 1 minute at a very low flame. After 1 minute, open the lid and flip the bread slice. See the beautiful golden brown color came. Now both the slices cooked evenly. Had you heard that sound? From the sound itself you guess how crisp it is. Now cut the bread slice like this. Let me show you how cheesy it is. See, the cheese is oozing out. It's so yummy. This cheese will come like this only when it's hot. It makes me so hungry. This is one of my favorite recipes. You have to try this too. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.